guys, it's me, Isis, and today I will be showing you 4 ways how to take out hiccups. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first ingredient is this. You can use any kind of water. You can use any kind of water you want, but the kind of water you drink. I drink Arrowhead water, so I have the hiccups right now. And I'm gonna try with water. And make sure you don't drink like a little sip. Okay, I feel way better. So the next thing you could do, number 2, is to I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm ready to go to my hiccup. So I'll show you right in 1 second. Okay, so pretend this cute little dolly is me. And this big doggy is my brother. Okay, so I have the hiccups, and tell anybody you want. I use my brother or my mom. I use my brother more. So I say, can you scare me? And then my brother says, okay. And then you turn back, and then the person scares you really hard. And then you don't have hiccups. So that's the second thing. So the third one is to just hold your breath. So if you have hiccups, just go like and you have no more hiccups.